A great tool to create a classroom website is a wiki. And you may know wikis by Wikipedia, which is the online encyclopedia and probably the most famous wiki of all. A wiki is a place where you can create a site and share information. So let's take a look at how this works. You go to pbworks.com and you're going to register, and when you do, you will get an email confirmation, and you will just have to confirm. And once you confirm, you're going to wind up here. You're just going to click on a confirmation link and you'll wind up back here. And this is where you get started. And as you can see, this is very easy to do. So what I'm going to do, although I could do something with my profile or change my email and password, what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to click Create a Workspace. And you're going to see how easy this is. Now you're given some options, and there are some pay options here which give you a little bit more flexibility in some of the things you can do. So you might want to consider those later, but we're just going to take a look at the free or basic version because you can get started right away with that. Here's where you're going to put in what's going to ultimately be your web address. So you're probably just going to call it last name and maybe the class you're in. So I might call this Barnes Class, and then it ends in .pbworks.com. What's the space for? I'm going to say that it's for education. I agree that it's non-commercial, and it shows me my email address, and then I just go ahead and hit next. And once this we finished this very basic first screen, now it tells you some other things you need to know. Choose your workspace's security settings. And this one you're probably going to want to go with only people I invite or approve, depending on what you're doing. Who can edit the space? Only people I invite or approve. And again, you're going to accept the terms of service. They're pretty basic stuff. So then I want to be taken to my workspace. And from here, I'm really ready to get going, and you're going to see that you can do a lot of very simple things here just by using the tools that are provided. Alright, so this is my front page, which is basically the home page that anyone who comes to my site, barnesclass.pbworks.com, is going to see. So I can do a variety of things, pages and filters. If I click there, I've got some different pages that I can do some things with. I can come in, I've got some course pages set up. If I teach various courses, I might want to come into a course page and put some basic information on that. Maybe I have all of my students in one class and I want to come and I want to use this assignments feature in here. So I can come in here and add some assignments for my students to see. I can put the date, a lot of different things in there. I might want to begin by creating some settings, and again, here's where I could change what my course title looks like. Remember, the title and the web address are different, so I might just go with Mr. Barnes Language Arts. Pretty basic. You could put in a description. I don't know that I necessarily need any of that, and you know, I would probably put a school email in, so I would save that, and you know, that's going to change the look of your website. So you know, I come back here to Wiki, and there I am back to my front page, and you know, maybe I want to change this. This is the first thing my students are going to see, so I'm going to come in here, and you see now you got a very simple editor. And I can come in and I can do a lot of different things. A table, a plugin allows me to put in a podcast maybe, or some other cool gadgets that your kids will love. You know, it's real easy to come in and just to delete and add text, and I can change fonts and colors and you know, all kinds of really easy to do things on my front page, and I can do this when I create other pages, and you know, it's just a real user-friendly tool, and this is going to be great for you. Your kids are going to like it. You're going to show them a lot of neat things, and then maybe you're even going to get them editing some pages at that, and that is pbworks.com.